The HygienicPro wants to be a part of the ground, not just a hole in it. This protective strip, not only does it protect the stainless steel, but it also creates a gap between the drain and the concrete. Now, what is that gap used for? If you're in a situation where you have a resonant floor, or a top coat, if you will, that goes on top of the concrete, that resin needs to be poured. And as that resin pours, now we've created that gap or moat around the trench drain, and that resin now fills in that void that we created with the HygienicPro protective cover. And now that floor will now bond with the stainless steel. We've already bonded with the concrete with the anchors, and now we have a complete system inside and a part of the floor. So by creating the gap for the flooring contractor, now we've saved him time and saved you money.